I'll take this, please.
A rare piece. It's not just gold. What does it do?
In the heart of Halep, Zaid prepares his caravan for a journey across the vast.
Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to use the powerful Kling 3 AI model completely for free. Stay tuned, because I'll guide you step by step so you can get started right away. So let's get started. First, type RoboNeo AI in the search bar of your browser. Oh, I typed IA instead of AI. I have also added link in description where you can find it. So then this tab will open. Now click on Login button on the top right corner. And after signing up, this interface of the RoboNeo AI model will appear. Check it. That sounds good. Okay. Here you can see details of this model. So, moving next. Now we will choose the AI model with which we want to make our video. On the page, we have image creator models including Nano Banana. Moving on next to C video generators. Now we have to choose Kling AI 3 to generate our video. You can try another as well. Now here write your prompt for video. I copied it from ChatGPT and pasted there. Now choose script to film from there. After clicking here, Kling model will start making our video. See, it has started making our video. Now it asks us to choose the following details. What is your desired total time duration for the video? And as well as what aspect ratio you prefer. I will enter time duration 15 seconds. And orientation of video will be 16:9. Okay? Now we will wait some time. So it started again. Ask you to give instructions according to your needs. What type of video you like. Now it is making different images of the required scenes that I have asked it to make. And one more important thing is that caret you see in the top right of the page, it indicates our free credits. I have used them before, so I have only 32 carets remaining. But amazing thing is that these 20 carets refill daily at 12 a.m. sharp. And here we have amazing images of our scenes. It will look incredible. Now it asks it that that's enough and start making videos with these images. Here we have video of a scene. That incredible and realistic. Wow. Now I will show you the next part of this video means next scenes. And here it is.
I'll take this, please.
A rare piece. It's not just gold. What does it do?
In the heart of Halep, Zaid prepares his caravan for a journey across the vast.
And that's how you can use the Kling 3 AI model for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more awesome AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.